This CD has 4 relaxation techniques for you to try. Learning to relax is not always something that comes naturally. It is a skill which has to be learnt and therefore requires regular practice. We would suggest that you practice relaxation at least once a day. Try to decide in advance when you are going to practice. In this way, you can better develop a routine which you can stick to. Make sure that you choose somewhere quiet to practice, and make sure that no one will disturb you when you're trying to practice. Don't attempt your relaxation if you are hungry or have just eaten, or if the room is too hot or too chilly. Do not worry about your performance or whether you are successfully relaxing. Just have a go and let it happen.